The truth of digital marketing, online marketing, marketing at all, actually everyone can learn it and everyone can practice it, and it's so easy actually. It's so easy and it's so simple. And mostly entrepreneurs are afraid of this term and they need very good specialists. But let's discuss how these specialists they become this kind of specialist and what skills they practice to be digital marketers or marketers. Actually, it's only one skill, and this skill, this practice is testing. They are not sure, not anyone is not sure he will drive sales or not drive sales. If he will do this campaign, he will have sales or not have sales. No one is sure in the beginning. After they tested, they tried and they saw the results, they can claim, yes, I'm sure we will drive the results for your business. Yes, this is actually the way digital marketing is working. They are testing and they are seeing, okay, this is working or this is not working. And some of the campaigns were just blinded. They just push the money in the system and they advertise the banners or videos or messages. And they expect in a couple of days, months, years to have a return of their investment. Sometimes they'll have return, sometimes they'll blame the market, they will blame the one or second or the virus or whatever they want to blame. It's not working. So you can be a marketer as well. You just need to test this campaign, this marketing material, this and this. And I will divide marketing campaigns in two ways, two directions. One is immediate results in sales. You start the campaign today or tomorrow or in 1 week. You expect the sales, you expect the calls, you expect the feedback, the return of your starting to be return of your investments. And second one is more abstract one, is called branding. And branding is for future. You don't expect right now the results. In a couple of years you may expect some results. People will memorize your brand, will associate your brand with feelings, with whatever they want to associate. But this is for long-term results. And for an entrepreneur of a small business like you forgot about branding on the first stage. You will focus more on immediate results. You need these immediate results. You need a return of your investments. If you have a good return, if you have a good business, you can think and start slowly to invest more in branding. And branding, as I told you, is very abstract. And marketers can sell you very good ideas, very interesting ideas like, oh, we should do this, we should do this. People will feel this, and they'll sell you an expensive logo, couple of $1,000, $10,000 of logo, and they'll say this element is significant and is amazing. And yes, it's amazing. I would like to have this kind of logo and story behind, but I'm not willing on this stage to pay for this kind of story. And in the first place, you need results. This need to be 80% of your income, energy. You need to focus on results. And we promoted already a lot of small businesses from 2009. And as we saw, they need results. They are not interested in branding. Branding comes later when you're growing, your business is expanding, and you need new source of income. You need a long-term investment of your money and your energy of your branding, and people need to know you are existing, and branding is doing this. You need branding. You can think from this stage, but don't invest heavily in just memorizing the brand. You need results. If people search for your product or services, they need to find you. If they are not finding you, you are not doing something right. So think about where people search you, they need to find you. If you cover all these places and they find you everywhere, you can think about branding. So testing. You will try this ad, you will try this campaign. On branding is harder to test. You just need to go with more experts, these kind of guys who charge you a lot of money, and they have a little bit some experience and they will kind of guess in this direction. But again, you need to be in charge. It needs to be your story, not their story. It needs to be your feelings, not their feelings. It needs to be you, this guy who feel your business, who knows in what direction your business needs to go, and you will guide them. Yes, I need this, and they'll help you. But on first place, you need to testing this campaign, maybe with agencies. You will say, I want to try this, I want to try this, I want to try this, and they may guide you a little bit, like we are doing. We are guiding entrepreneurs and saying, okay, Google Ads is working well, Facebook Ads is working well, this type of campaigns, let's test this first, and when we cover this, we get results, we can go and test. Maybe you have an idea, I want to test this or this or this. First, cover 80% of the results. 80% of your money, 100% you want to invest in advertising, 80% you are covering what is working, and 20% you are trying this and this and this and this, and you are seeing, okay, if something will work, you should invest in this. Also, what marketers are doing when they are testing, they need to see the indicators, if this works or not. You are not going blind. You need to at least some indicators. For example, for this 20% of your money, maybe you'll place a different phone number, maybe you'll have another landing page, maybe you will have another something to test. If from this 20% at least some return you have, at least some calls you have. If you will have good indicator, you need to pursue it and expand maybe more than in other campaigns. This is the way marketers are doing, testing, and we are looking to results. If you can do it, you are a marketing. Welcome to the club. And in university or in other schools of marketing, they're learning theory, they're learning other stuff. They are not guru in this. They're just, again, after they finish their university, they'll go in the field, test, work, not work, test, work, not work, test, work, or it's not working. So the same you will do. Start testing your campaigns, and if this little message was useful for you, please appreciate this message, and see you in the next one.